Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with DreamComeTrue AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in dreamcometrue.ai and press enter. You will now be taken into the official DreamComeTrue website. Now in order to sign up and create a new account, click on the Join Now button at the center of the page or at the top right corner. You will then be taken into the sign up and login page. Now from this page, in order to sign up and create a new account, click on the register button underneath the login button. And now you will be asked to enter your sponsor username. Type in your sponsor username and tap on the next button and you will be allowed to enter your email address as well as your username for your account. Just go ahead and follow the standard process and you will also be allowed to enter your password. Just type in your desired password and proceed forward and you will receive a confirmation email on your email address within which you can click on a link to verify your account. And after your account has been verified, you can simply go to the login page and use your username as well as password to log in to your DreamComeTrue account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with DreamComeTrue AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.